Today I'm popping in to do a really quick review on this bunting. These are like little triangular flags. They're a pretty good size, so here's my hand to kind of give you an idea. They come in a wide variety of colors, so you've got reds and pinks, oranges, kind of the whole gamut of color. This one is strung on like a jute rope. It's pretty long, so you get quite a bit on either end of it. And then the flags themselves are actually made out of like a burlap, a very rough burlap material, but they are glued on the back, so you can kind of see there's a reinforcing, almost like an iron-on reinforcement on the back, so you're not going to wind up with the entire thing fraying. I do expect in the weather that these are probably going to fray just a little bit. I did purchase these for our farm stand so that we could hang them up down there. You can see that they're sewn on the top. Pretty basic, but well made, very colorful, very vibrant. The colors are done really well. They're pretty deep and true. So if this is a product that you are considering, hopefully my review helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not. But I think they're going to look pretty good on our farm stand, and I'm looking forward to using them.